Hello babes, let's get straight into this video. So Shake and Go has sent me their Boho Hippie Braid, and this is basically just a crochet braid with goddess curls in it. So I thought, how perfect, and the color's super cute for summer. The color combo that I'm going to be using is going to be their HT2730 and their HT430. And HT is short for highlight tip, which is a combination of dark roots and partial highlights to create depth and dimension within your hairstyle. So the materials that you're going to need are a blow dryer with a comb attachment. And if you don't have one of these, get one, it's so clutch. You're going to need a rat tail comb, some rubber bands, as well as a latch hook needle. And I can't forget my mousse for the end. My hair is already blow dried and ready to part. So step one is going to be to create the crisscross look in the front. And I'm going to do that by creating 6 rows and then splitting them in half. And then using rubber bands to secure them and then to crisscross them over. So after my crisscrosses are created, I'm going to go ahead and start cornrowing the back of my head. I'm doing this in just a straight back cornrow pattern, and then I'm going to put the ends of my cornrows into a little bun. Okay, now that I've opened my package of my hippie braids, I'm gonna go ahead and use my latch hook to attach them. So taking my latch hook, I'm gonna make sure that my hook is open. I'm gonna slide it underneath or through my cornrow, and I'm gonna attach the braid onto the latch hook with the loop, pull it through, and then pull the braid through that loop. It might sound a little bit complicated at first, but keep watching it over and over until you get the hang of it. So the boho hippie braid 30 inches has 3 strands of curls coming out from various locations of the braid. So this will make sure that your style is full and that there are enough curls to really give it that boho curly look. The curls also did not tangle as much as I thought they would. Of course, I put some mousse on them to make sure that they don't tangle as much, but while wearing the style, I was able to put it in a ponytail or in a bun and take it out, and the curls were still curling, so that was a plus. So I did end up using 5 packs of the hippie braid, and I will say it wasn't too heavy, but it was very full. So if you're going for a more full look, definitely use 5 packs. But if you're like me and full isn't really a concern for you, definitely use about 4 packs. So to cover up that middle part that you see there, I'm gonna go ahead and crochet some of the braids onto my hair that isn't cornrowed. So you can see I don't really have a cornrow in the middle. And if I did this again, I would change the braid pattern that I use so that that doesn't happen. But it is what it is. I'm gonna go ahead and crochet or latch hook my braid onto that space there. And this is the final look. I think it was super cute and actually super quick to do. In all, it took about an hour and a half or so. Thank you, babes, so much for tuning in. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time.